وبه نستعين على أمور الدنيا والدين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد. The Honorable Nyai Hajah Mufrihan Sohi, as the leader of Mambaul Marif Denanyal Foundation, Respectable Kiai Haji Abdus Salam Sohi, as the chief of Mambaul Marif Denanyal Cottage, Excellency, all the headmaster of Mambaul Marif Denanyal School and all the audiences, ladies and gentlemen, firstly, let's say thanks to Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. Because of Him, we can gather here in parents' meeting. Secondly, salawat and salam always be presented to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who guides us to the truth. Ladies and gentlemen, in this good opportunity, I would like to talk about teenagers' role in keeping our environment. Audience, talking about teenagers is a great topic because we talk about fresh things, right? Then we all know that teenagers are the hub of a country. It's like what our first President Sukarno said for many years ago before Indonesia got its independence. So it's a must for youngsters to save this earth from destruction of environment. Why I said that, ladies and gentlemen? Well, this earth that has existed for about 3.7 billion years has close relation with our natural environment. The environment is our life support system. It includes everything that we rely on during our lifetime, such as air, water, metals, soil, road, and other living organisms. But